Crude, beautifully traded bullish, achieved $74 levels. One thing we categorically discussed in yesterday's both the analysis in the Asia session analysis and the US session analysis that crude is going to stay bullish till the time it stays above 71.5, 71.8. That is a good buying entry and you can stay long. Precisely from the same zone 71.7, it has bounced back strongly and now has achieved 74. I hope you all profited there. That is the power of technical analysis. At the same time, net gas has breached below 2.5, but then it failed to break below 2.45 level and traded in a very tight zone. Now, what to expect in US crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for crude and net gas. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel, which keeps you updated. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into crude oil, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly charts. If you see the movement here, the price divergence from the 20 period, then the convergence, then the divergence, probably a convergence. It means till 73, we are not going to consider crude as bearish. In fact, till 72.5, we are not going to consider crude as bearish. So a possibility of a conversion till here, in fact, breaching these levels exists as it is trading with a divergence from the moving averages, and the moving averages are also divergent extreme. Hence, this calls for a little conversion, which means a little bearishness. Hence, what you can do here is you can sell here at 73.4 levels or 73.5 levels, below which you can expect 73.2, 73 and 72.8. If this zone is breached, we can see 72.5, and below that it is going to trade bearish for 72 and below. Hence, a sell entry at 73.4 levels can be taken and a buy entry at 74 can be taken. See, the stochastic was overbought, it has dropped a bit. The MACD is bullish, it is trying to converge crossover, it is not yet crossed over, it has seen a good journey. RSI is almost trading near to the top, which is near to the overbought zone. Now look at the same thing on the 2-hour chart. If prices diverged extremely from the 20 period moving average, hence it will increase the chances for a possible conversion before it looks over to another rise here, and hence whatever is happen is going to happen in next few candles, where we may see it coming till 72.8, 72.5 levels, which is very strong support. Stochastic overbought, which is also increasing the probability for a drop. The MACD is still divergent, it's still bullish, let it converge crossover. RSI very near to the overbought zone. And if you look at the 3-hour, now look at 3-hour charts, see the rise, retracement, the rise, and again trying to retrace. Now see the bull candle and the bearish candle, the bull candle and the bearish candle, the sizes are very small for the bearish candle, and this means that the bearishness has certainly diminished. At the same time, the divergence from the 20 period, but the 20, 30, 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are now started to diverge, and hence it has still got further bullishness left here. Hence above 74 more bulls might be seen. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is very near to the top. Now look at the daily chart. 4-hour charts first. On the 4-hour charts, flat top is seen. It is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Band, hence a little retracement cannot be denied. Very good support at 73.2, 73 and 72.8. Only and only if it drops below 72.8, 72.5 levels, you can consider that there is bearishness. At the same time, look at the divergence from the 20 period moving average, though now it is increasing the chances for a crossover between the 2050 and 20 and 50 already crossover. The 20 and 100 will crossover too. Till the time it stays above 72.5, I will not consider oil as bearish for the day. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is almost trading near to the top here. Now if you look at the daily chart, now see on the daily charts, you did see that higher lows are getting seen. You can see this. And higher highs, which means it has still got the probability for it to rise till towards 76 levels. Hence, a possibility of a retracement till 73, 72.8 In fact, 72.5 levels also exist, but 73, 73.2, 72.8 zone is going to remain a primary important support zone. Hence, a bounce back from those levels cannot be denied, and then a strong rise till towards 75, 76 levels can be expected. Remember, above 74, we are going to look forward to a very good bullish move for first at 74.8, 75 levels, and then 76 levels directly. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. But before we proceed with the natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals channel where trading as per the signals definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the hourly charts on net. Now see, we had discussed this yesterday that this is the zone where it is going to get maximum support until 2.45, in fact 2.35 levels. We should not consider this as bearish. Now see what has happened, a sharp drop here, retracement, then the drop, retracement. Now it is looking forward to the next step of this journey, which is still a bearish zone. Hence any drop below 2.46 levels, rather I will say 2.45 levels, you can sell. Below 2.45 you can expect more bearishness, which is going to take it for 2.4 levels, the next strongest support. Right now it is consolidating. At the same time, any rise above 2.52 you can buy, expect 2.55 levels, which is a very good resistance. So 2.5, 2.52, very good resistance exists here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is looking forward to a rise, almost trading flat. Let it give a bullish momentum. Right now it is not bullish. RSI at bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, see the drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Again looking downwards here, trading below 2.46 levels. You can expect more bearishness may prevail, taking it to 2.44 and then 2.4 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD willing to cross over for a buy entry again. See, first wave, second wave, and hence third wave can be seen. RSI at bottom, and hence if you see it trading above 2.5 to use, you should definitely stay long for 2. See, 2.52 itself is a little far. In fact, you can buy here at 2.51, expect 2.5 to 54 levels, and beyond that more bullishness is seen there. Now look at the 3-hour chart. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. One green candle. See, it is creating steps, and hence any rise above 2.5, 2.51 levels, certainly it is going to bring bullishness. Else you can see a retracement on the downside. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now see on the 4-hour chart, the previous two candles, lower highs, lower lows, trying to consolidate here. Hence any breakout beyond 2.51, 2.52 levels, you can say that it is trying to reverse, and I look forward to 2.5554 levels to be breached in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI almost flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, 2.4544 levels, very good support here. And in fact, if it draws below 2.4544 till 2.4, 2.35, very good support. Stochastic has dropped, MACD bullish trying to converge here, RSI very near to the top. Considering this, I will recommend you to take a sell entry at 2.46, but then 2.44, 2.4 and 2.36 levels. Till there, it has got a maximum support and it can bounce back any point of time there. So this zone also, the daily charts 2.4, 2.4, 244, very good support. See, the candle size also has diminished here. It wanted to converge here till the moving averages. Now again can start diverging. Hence, a good entry, a buy entry, it is at around 2.51, but then 2.55, 2.6 levels. I will see them breaching 2.6. Then you can expect that another round of rise will take it for 2.8 and $3 levels. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And remember, I do not run any investment schemes. So anybody approaching you on my name, or if you see in any channel, any group on my name where you see any investment scheme, just report that channel, that person, that group, leave that group, and do not invest anything to anyone before confirmation, without confirmation from my official email ID or my official Telegram handle. Trade accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my free Telegram channel, join my signals group, join my mentorship batch. Only these three offerings. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.